Here we are, to Over Meadows.
That's nice, summer.
That's nice.
A nice summer day.
Hailing like crazy.
Everywhere else is too hot to climb.
I know, oops. That wasn't me. That was nice. Shit. So Steve, what kind of comments do you have for this?
Oh, it's a nice No, look at the ground.
Climbed just 20 minutes ago. That's good. Fucking awesome. No rain jackets, nothing.
Waterfall.
That's fucked up. Okay. So I guess we're packing up and going home to the tent.
I'm gonna do one more.
One more.
One more, I'm gonna lead it.